There are many health benefits to soursop. You can make also a wide variety, a lot of recipes with your soursop. You can put it in your smoothie. You can make a drink with it. You can make ice cream. And when buying my soursop, I like when they're soft. See, you push your finger into this one soft. Like I don't like to have to ripe them, like put them to ripe. This one is really soft, so I have to use this within like 3 days or so, because I don't want the skin start getting black, starts to get black. So guys, you can read up the benefits of soursop and try it out. There are many, and I also have videos on soursop, Faith and Food Variety. Check it out.